Hey YouTube, it's Bob from Zippo here. So I'm going to show you guys my new Zippo lighter that I just got. I put like little arrows right here because I kept forgetting which way I'm supposed to, like this way or this way. So first of all, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 fire sticks that you're supposed to like mash up and stuff, bend and stuff. It's the case is waterproof, so keep everything waterproof. Things are great for starting fires. They're just like cotton balls kind of, but don't really need the petroleum jelly on. And then this little thing right here is supposed to go back, and then it closes up like that. There's a Zippo logo right here, and when you open, you should hear like a little clink sound. See, so most people, they usually close it, then they see a little line of black. You have to make sure you close it, and you want to squeeze hard so you don't see that much black. So opening it back up, fixing this. Alright, so now for the little striker. So, the arrows push back that way. And then it easily comes out like that. And then you could buy new rods for them, but they're kind of cheap and kind of expensive, like that small. If you look like very closely, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like that little metal thing that you guys see right there, that is the flint that you. No. And then the bottom, you guys are supposed to unscrew it, and then a spring comes out, and then the flint comes out. So making sure I got it. Nope. That's the confusing part. So that's pretty much the Zippo lighter. That's that part. Now you guys don't want to take this out in public and see other people thinking that you have like a lighter. So you want to keep it at your house and around people that know. So there it is, spark it one more time. So that's it. So, thanks for watching and subscribe.